I poured Coca-Cola over crushed eggshells, and what happened next really surprised me. I had no idea that this simple combination could deliver such powerful results. First, take the shells from exactly 5 eggs. Make sure they are clean and completely dry, no residue or moisture. Put them into the blender. Then add about 280 grams of Coca-Cola. That's roughly 2 regular cups. Pour it directly into the blender with the eggshells. Watch the reaction of the gas as it comes into contact with the shells. It's not just for show. There's a reason this combination works so well, and you'll soon understand why. Now it's time to add the final ingredient, dish soap. Choose any brand you have at home. Just make sure it's a good degreaser. Add about 150 milliliters, a little more than half a cup. Pour it into the blender with the Coca-Cola and the eggshells. Comment below which city you are watching from. Let's see where everyone is from. Close the lid and blend the mixture on high speed. Keep blending until the eggshells are completely pulverized and the liquid has a creamy, foamy texture. There should be no pieces left. This part is important. The smoother it is, the better it will work. Once it's fully blended, prepare a clean container to store the mixture. Use a funnel and a fine sieve to slowly pour out the contents. This step removes small shell fragments and ensures you have a smooth, easy-to-use product. What makes this mixture so effective is the balance of the ingredients. The crushed eggshells act as a gentle abrasive, removing dirt without damaging the surface. Coca-Cola breaks down rust, grease, and even burnt-on residue. And the dish soap cuts through oils and helps everything glide smoothly during cleaning. Rate this tip from 0 to 10. I'd love to know what you think. Now, let's test it. Here's a burnt, stained pan covered with layers of grease. Most people would throw it away or scrub it for hours with steel wool, but not today. Pour or squeeze some of our homemade mixture directly onto the surface. Comment mine if you want to try this at home. Then take a sponge. Nothing fancy, just a regular kitchen sponge. Gently scrub in circular motions. Don't press hard. Let the mixture do the work. You'll notice the difference almost immediately. The thick, greasy stains start to disappear, and the metal underneath begins to shine again. It's like revealing a brand new surface hidden under years of buildup. Best of all, no toxic fumes, no heavy scrubbing, no scratching. Try it once, and you might never go back. It's inexpensive, easy to make, and works better than many commercial cleaners I've used. If you try it, let me know how it worked for you. Don't forget to like this tip, share it with a friend, and follow for more smart ideas that save money and deliver real results. See you in the next video.